If you think your smartphone's built-in mic is good enough for your videos, let me stop you right there. Audio is the one thing your audience notices subconsciously, and bad sound is far more distracting than low video quality. So today, we're counting down the top 10 best budget lavalier mics for beginners in 2026. Affordable, easy to use, and great for anyone starting out with YouTube, vlogging, interviews, and more. No gear nerd talk, no fluff. Just honest recommendations you can actually use. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Boya BY1 lavalier mic. Starting at number 10 is a classic budget pick, the Boya BY1 lavalier. You've probably heard about this one, and there's a reason it's still popular in 2026. It's extremely affordable, works with smartphones, cameras, and recorders, and delivers surprisingly clear audio for the price. Sound guys, this mic is great if you're just dipping your toes into video creation and want to dramatically improve your sound without spending much at all. It comes with a long cable, which is perfect for sit-down recording or interviews. It won't rival pro gear, but for beginners on a tight budget, it's a huge upgrade over built-in mics. Number 9. Boya Mini Wireless Lavalier. At number 9, we're keeping the Boya family going with the Boya Mini Wireless Lavalier. If you want freedom from wires without blowing your budget, this tiny wireless kit gives you mobility and decent quality in one package. The podcast host. It's especially good if you're walking around talking to the camera or doing on-the-go videos. Just clip it on, sync to the receiver, and you're ready. No extra gear required. Wireless systems this cheap used to be unreliable, but this one holds a stable connection and still fits a beginner's budget. Number 8. Aramic Lapel Mic. Number 8 goes to the Aramic Lapel Mic, a very basic but effective lav mic that's often overlooked. It's super affordable and comes with the essentials: a clip, a windscreen, and a simple plug-and-play connection. YouTube. The sound quality is not hi-fi, but it's good enough for talking to camera videos, casual interviews, and starter podcasts. If you don't want to fuss with settings, this mic gives you usable audio right out of the bag. Number 7. Fifine K053 USB lavalier mic. At 7, we've got a USB lavalier option, the Fifine K053. This is perfect for creators recording straight to a laptop or desktop, especially if you don't want adapters or extra gear. Plug it directly into your computer and you're set for voiceovers, live streams, tutoring, or online presentations. It may not be wireless, but the clarity you get for the price is a pleasant surprise. For beginners who are mainly at their desks, this is a very clean solution. Number 6. Hollyland Lark A1. This mic's strength is its ease of use. It feels almost like plug and play even if you've never used lav mics before. It connects fast, sounds noticeably cleaner than built-ins, and the magnetic clips make attaching it to clothing a breeze. If you're shooting outdoors or moving around, this one makes your audio a lot more stable without complicating your setup. Number 5. Synco G1 Pro Wireless Lavalier. Halfway through at number 5 is the Synco G1 Pro Wireless Lavalier mic that punches above its price tag. It offers surprisingly stable signal transmission and active noise reduction, features usually found on more expensive gear. The noise reduction mode is especially helpful if you're recording in a lively environment where you can't control every background noise. For beginners on a budget, this mic feels like a smart, future-proof choice. Number 4. Fulime X6 Wireless Lavalier Kit. Coming in at number 4 is the Fulime X6 Wireless Lavalier Kit, an impressive budget option for creators who expect multiple-person recording. Whether you're doing interviews, dual-host podcasts, or mobile videos with guests, this kit's multiple transmitters and stable wireless connection make life easier. The Tech Tester blog. For the price, getting multiple mics and one receiver is a huge bonus, and it lays the groundwork for more advanced recording setups later. Number 3. Myono Wave T5 Lavalier Mic. At number 3, we've got the Myono Wave T5. This is one of the best all-around beginner lavalier systems you can find on a budget, with USB-C, Lightning, and camera-ready options built right in. Tom's Guide. It's easy to set up, has respectable audio performance, and gives you flexibility across devices. While it's not studio grade, beginners will love how it adapts to phones, cameras, and computers with minimal fuss. For first-timers who want one mic that just works almost everywhere, this is a solid pick. Number 2. DJI Mic Mini Lavalier Kit. Runner-up at number 2 is the DJI Mic Mini Lavalier Kit. A little bit pricier than the ultra budget options, but worth it because it delivers big upgrades in quality and range. It's still budget friendly compared to pro gear, but the clarity and range you get here are noticeable. You get a wireless system that records crisp, clear audio and gives you room to move around. Perfect for vloggers, creators, and interviewers just getting serious about sound. Number 1. Rode Lavalier Go. And at number 1, the Rode Lavalier Go. This is the best budget lavalier mic for beginners who want real professional sound without professional pricing. Rode has a reputation for solid build quality, reliable audio, and plug-and-play simplicity. This mic gives you a balanced, clear voice capture that's noticeably better than most other budget lavaliers. Whether you're vlogging, filming interviews, or starting a podcast, this one grows with you as your skill does. For many beginners, this is the sweet spot where price, performance, and practicality all come together. So that's our list of the top 10 best budget lavalier mics for beginners in 2026. Whether you're shooting your first video or upgrading from your phone's internal mic, there's an option here that can seriously level up your audio without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more gear guides, and drop a comment telling me what setup you're using right now. Thanks for watching.